Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your Bybit app. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. In case you are using Apple Store or Play Store, so you just have to go over to it and go over to the search area and type in Bybit, and over here you're going to see the first one, which is Bybit, and you go over to it, and yeah, you're going to see updates, which is buy Bitcoin and crypto. You're going to see updates. Let me go over to updates, and you updating your Bybit app, your Bybit account will be updated, and you're going to have the latest features when it comes to Bybit. You're going to receive the latest features. You doing this, you'll be able to carry out some transaction. You know that if you don't update your Bybit app, there's some certain things you'll be able to do, like you'll be restricted to do some things. So it's for you to update it. That will be all, and this is how you will able to update your Bybit app, and you can see it's loading. So it's all done. So what you have to do is for you to go over to open, and so you going over here, you will be able to see the latest updates and the latest features here on Bybit. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.